morning, campers. Let's see if getting out of these spots is as difficult as getting in was. Nope, not at all. Alright. Hey, look at that, nobody coming. Whew, messed up that shift. Oh, look at the beefy oversize there. So much beef. So much beef. It's going to be a good day, folks, because you know why? Because we no longer have to go to the Costco. We are officially doing this load as a relay to Portland. There's a good chance that we could have made the delivery on this, but it was a little bit tight, and my dispatcher had another truck in just the right spot that we're going to swap it just to be on the safe side. That way we don't risk running out of hours in rush hour traffic once we get to the suburbs of Seattle. So we're going to ferry this up to near Portland. Swap it with another driver, and should reload somewhere near Portland tomorrow. So that will be fun. We're going up to specifically Aurora. Oh, thank you, RV. Yay. Friendly RV person moved over for me. We're specifically going up to near Aurora. There's a Flying J and a TA there. We're going to spend the night at the Flying J. I have lots and lots of pilot rewards points, so I just use those to pay for a parking spot, so we don't even have to get reimbursed for it. So, yay! Because the way I look at it, a free parking spot is a free parking spot, and I don't look at pilot points as real money. Oh, this guy's only doing 52. That's annoying. Alright, so we have to pass him now. Alright. I almost like passing people in California, but I'm not doing less than 55. Sorry! Alrighty, here's the climb into Shasta. Shasta? I don't know. Oh, please don't be slower than me. You just passed me and now we're going uphill. Yep, you're as slow as I am now. Awesome! Awesome. We're gonna get stuck behind this guy, because I'm not gonna pass him back. Right at the foot of a mountain. But, you know what? Not my problem. Not my problem. Yeah, he's pulled away from us now. There we go. He must have a good hunk more horsepower than we do. There's the end of the lane. Missed it. There we go. It's fine. It's fine. such a nice place to drive. Oh, this turns a little bit tight. Let's take a little tiny bit of that on-ramp to make this turn a little gentler for us. Oh, and into a 50-mile-an-hour turn. All right. Oh, it's the bridge. Here we go. This is a nail biter when you're a rookie. having that ledge so close to the right. Ugh, I'm not a fan. Not a fan at all. Then another 50-mile-an-hour turn off the other end of the bridge. A little bit more climbing. All the spots on the wall on the right where trucks have bumped it with trailer tires. Dun, dun, dun. One of these is a volcano. I don't know which one, but one of these is definitely a volcano. Possibly more than one, actually. Mount Shasta itself is a volcano, and then there's also another mountain up here called Black Butte that is not a butte, it's definitely a volcano. 10th gear. Blinker off, hazards off. Let's see if we can't get back up to 55 here. Up in the mountains of Northern California. I love my job. This is so beautiful. Look at this. Look what we're about to. This is going to be great. Hold on. Just look left as we come through this clearing. Just do it. All right. Just look. Oh my gosh. That's so beautiful. You guys, you have no idea. I mean, you have some idea because you can see it, but that's breathtaking. All you folks that live in California and have never gone up here, do you know what you're missing? You gotta come up here. It's amazing. This is just right here. It's so close. This is only like a day's drive from LA. It's fantastic. I love this place. I love my job for giving me excuses to come places like this. This is the ultimate excuse to go see amazing places. That's what trucking is. This looks like a recent addition. I wonder what's going on, why they piled up this dirt on the right, if they did indeed do that. I wonder if maybe that was like a landslide or something? They planted the grass to kind of stabilize the hillside, maybe? Neat bridge! Neat bridge. A little bit of a fire going there on the left as well. Looks like some kind of controlled burn. It's coming from a campsite. Probably like a garbage fire or something for a bunch of RVers. Yep, smells like a garbage fire. Ugh. Gear, back under power. And cruise control set. That was a trip through the Northern California mountains, specifically somewhere around here is Mount Shasta. Maybe that's it to our right, I don't know. I don't honestly know. But it's beautiful up here no matter what the mountains are called. So, thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys when we get somewhere else cool. Alrighty, we are parked safe and sound at the Flying J here in Aurora, Oregon. Nice and relaxed. So if you're wondering what the why we did the weird lap of the parking lot there, because I went to pull into my parking spot and all the reserve spots were already full. So it meant somebody was in a reserve spot that was not supposed to be. So I had to go talk to management, and then they came out here, checked all the numbers, made one dude move. So then that dude had to try and squeeze into the ridiculously hard parking spot at the end of the parking lot, and I got to take the nice easy one that he'd been in since I paid for it. And then we swapped trailers. So even if the dude comes back pissed off, if he didn't see the trailer swap, he's gonna pester the other Jim Palmer driver instead, who's actually gonna be leaving soon. So trailers swapped. The other driver has the load. He's got the bills. He's gonna take off shortly. We left nice and early, so he's actually got a little bit of wiggle room that he doesn't have to leave right now. And we are good. We've got an empty trailer in pretty decent shape as well. Not due in any part to Prime. Apparently the Prime driver that swapped this trailer to the other Palmer driver brought it in with a whole bunch of lights out. So this streak of luck has sort of continued. This trailer definitely needed repairs, but it got passed to another Palmer driver first, so they took care of it because we do our jobs. I'm just messing. Lights burn out. That happens. But yeah, we are good. We are parked. I will see you all tomorrow. I do not know yet what we are doing, but we are going to be stuck here for the night. I need to get some sleep. I need to get some food, and I need to get some sleep again, actually. So yeah, just let's do food first, then sleep, and then sleep again. Yeah, I think that sounds like a plan. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. My name's Ellie O'Dare, OwzerAngel17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in, say hi on the Twitters as well, at Ellie O'Dare, no apostrophe. Twitter is, of course, the best place to get a hold of me. I'm there pretty much all the time. So, yeah. If you do want to say hello or have a conversation or whatnot, drop in and say hi there. Just try not to look like a bot. Basically I'm saying try to look human, which, if you don't know how, I don't really know how to describe it to you. But, try to look human. I don't know. You'll figure it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.